What's up, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus, your captain speaking, giving you the latest and greatest updates on XRP and crypto analysis. So, you guys, if you're new to this channel and you like what you see, definitely subscribe and comment your thoughts below and let me know if you are a fan of Cashflow Nexus. Anyway, I'm just being funny and silly today. Guys, I appreciate all the subs. I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate everybody that is, giving love to my channel. And I'm happy that I'm impacting people spiritually as well, because that's one of the reasons and the first reason that I came to even do these type of videos for you guys. If you are new to this channel, I always start off my channel with scripture, but today I don't have scripture. Today I have something for you guys, something to think about. I saw this tweet today. It's by Jesus Coming Soon, or at Jesus is Warning. And this hit hard today because today when I woke up, I prayed before I took my niece to school, to her daycare. And, I was like, Lord, there's a lot that I want to change. I always hold myself to a higher standard. I always ask that he uses me and that he also changes me and molds me. And this tweet really stuck out to me today, so I wanted to share it. Have you ever prayed for God to break you? A very powerful prayer, but the question is, are you willing to be broken and change your ways? Only you can answer that question, you guys. It's hard, but guys, the thing is, when we go through things in life, everybody always looks at people that are really successful, or people that look like they're doing well. People always think they got it together spiritually, but inside they might be spiritually distorted and broken and not even have a spiritual life at all. Truth be told, the only way you could have a spiritual life if you have that connection, if you have that prayer life with God. And today I had that prayer, and then I saw this tweet, because sometimes I don't think I'm always on the right path when I'm giving out scriptures and praying. Sometimes I still fall into certain things. Like, everybody that knows me personally on a personal level knows that I love women. Like, I'm not even gonna hide that. Like, I'm being 100% real with you guys. But at the same time, I know that's something that I have to go to God about and say, Lord, help me with not, being tempted by women, or being distracted by certain things, because, our things that could hinder our walk with God could bring us down and make us lose our salvation. So just something to think about and meditate on, you guys, and just being real with you guys and authentic. I don't want to blow smoke up y'all's tail because I'm not perfect, and I always try to be an example, and always try to set higher standards for not just myself, but everybody that is going to follow Christ and be a true follower and preach the gospel or speak the gospel. So you guys definitely hold yourself accountable and look in the mirror, and definitely pray about this if you feel that you need that. All right. Iron sharpens iron, so that's why I wanted to say that. All right. So jumping right into the analysis, you guys, let's start off with the daily time frame. Yes, I love what I see here. A lot more volume starting to ramp up in XRP. I see it here. The cloud is showing us that is our last level of support. This was our first level of support. We broke it. Our second level of support, we broke it. Our last level of support. So right now it's do or die for XRP. If we break this last level of support, it's going to drop, and it's going to drop hard. But the reason why I don't think so, I see something that I wish I caught a while back, and here it is right here. Bullish divergence starting from here, right there. We have some bullish divergence. So price is about to go up to the upside, and I have more evidence supporting that on the 4-hour time frame. I do like this here, even though it's below the 50. What I want to see before entering a long position is seeing that this makes its way back above the 50 line, and that'll be confirmation. We might get a flash pump to the upside, so I'm expecting that as well. going to the 4-hour time frame, there is a double bottom, and price is getting back into equilibrium. As you see, we have what you see here, a spinning top pattern, which is a reversal pattern. You see market starting to push up. Honestly, I missed my entry, which would have been here. My second entry, if I'm going to even enter at this point, will be right here. So this will be my next point of entry. Let me go ahead and turn this into a green line. Let's see, bam, I like that one right there. So yes, this will be a good entry. Stop loss probably right beneath this wick. And stop loss will be about how many? Let's see. 2% stop loss, not too bad. So I like this here. Kijinsen, I said Kijinsen. Kijinsen's getting closer to Tinkinson. So if you don't understand Ichimoku, definitely pause this video and go to the description box below and look up the Ichimoku Basics. Whenever these two are far apart, let's just say that they're in a lover's quarrel. They're fighting against each other. So he's mad at her and she's mad at him. So they're like, you know what? I can't stand you right now. So price is out of equilibrium. Price always wants to stay close to the Kijinsen. This is the main focus line here. So if we play it, they're starting to make up now. Price wants to start wants to be drawn to the blue line. So now that we see that price wants to be drawn to the blue line, we have our double bottom. Price is starting to move up. So we have a potential TK zone. When they cross each other, they make love and move up to the upside. So I'm expecting price to move back to 29 cents up in this range here. So I'm going to mark this area as well. I'm going to turn this blue. So this is our blue zone here. I'm going to clone it. Next zone I want to see after a breach would be back into this zone up here, and then back into supply zone. You see here that we have a W, if you could see this here. So I'm gonna draw it out for you guys. About right here. So this is what I'm expecting the market to do right now. So you guys definitely, pay attention to this type of stuff when you look at it in the market. Candles tell the story. You got to learn how to read the candles, because everybody always doubts technical analysis. Everybody always says bad things about TA and TA people. The data does not lie, people. You just got to learn how to read it and understand it. Sometimes you might get mixed signals, and when you get mixed signals, that's when you have to learn to stay out of the market and let it play out so you can have higher probability trades. That's why I've been 90% on my wins and 90% on my predictions. So this is what I see right now. I hope this plays out. From what I'm reading, this is the candle that I'm going off of. This will be the entry here, stop loss here, just to play it safe. Market does what it wants at the end of the day, but this is the highest probability right now in what the market's doing. If you miss this entry, the best entry after that would be up here at 28 cents. So prediction, I'm predicting 29 cents, then 30 cents, then back into 31 cent zone. All right, so you guys, if you like this video, comment and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. God bless you guys, and peace.